Hey, thanks for joining in today. I'm Lynn, and I'm all about uplifting families with daily natural solutions for mind, heart, and body. I'm always wanting to share natural, effective solutions for everyday challenges. And today we're diving into one of my favorite skin allies. It's doTERRA's HD Clear Blend. So whether you're dealing with breakouts, oily skin, or other skin problems that just won't calm down, this little roller bottle can make a big difference. HD Clear is doTERRA's skin clearing blend, and it's as cleansing and calming as it gets. It's designed to reduce two of the biggest factors behind skin issues: bacteria and inflammation. So if you or someone in your family struggles with things like acne or those awful pimples, oily or congested skin, maybe eczema or dermatitis flare-ups, or fungal or bacterial skin issues, HD Clear Oil will be the one you'll want to reach for. So what's inside this blend? Let's start with Black Cumin. It's a powerful, natural antimicrobial. Whole wood and tea tree are known for their purifying and calming effects on the skin. There's Lynn. It brightens and tones the skin. Eucalyptus cleanses away unwanted bacteria. And Geranium, it soothes and balances the skin. This combination makes HD Clear both cleansing and calming, perfect for oily or angry skin. Using HD Clear is simple. Just roll it directly onto areas of concern, whether it's breakout, redness, or those stubborn blemishes. It's great for the face, but it's also great for any part of the body dealing with irritation or inflammation of the skin. Monica shared this. She said that she knows someone that it totally took care of a boil for. Mandy says it clears up my cold sores really fast. And here's a story from our own household. My teenage son uses HD Clear directly on problem areas, and it works beautifully. But here is my mom tip. What's helped on a consistent basis has been supporting his skin from the inside out. He takes PB Assist. It's a daily probiotic, and it's made a huge difference in keeping his skin calm and balanced. Plus, he really likes the taste, so that's an added bonus. So to use HD Clear, try applying it morning and night after cleansing. Roll it directly on areas of concern. It's great for teens and adults. Use it on your face or body, wherever your skin needs it. So let me share some real-life results of what others are saying about HD Clear. This is what Anna had to say. She says, HD Clear is great. The roll-on is a go-to. Denise shared, it's amazing. I've got teenage boys, and it's been fantastic for them. And here's one from Mayo. When my 14-year-old son uses the HD Clear line, he sees results right away. As for myself, my experience, I've used the oil roller for adult hormonal pimples and have gotten amazing results. I can see a big difference after just one application. So if you're a mom, this is a great roller to keep on hand for your teens or even yourself. I've even used it on little scrapes and minor skin irritations. If you're ready for a full skincare routine that works together beautifully, check out the full HD Clear system. The HD Clear Foaming Face Wash. It gently cleanses without stripping your skin. It's amazing for clearing out pores and removing excess oil, especially for acne-prone skin. Then there's the HD Clear Moisturizer, lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for keeping your skin hydrated without clogging pores. It's soothing, and your skin will absolutely love the way it feels. So together with the HD Clear Roller Blend, this trio gives your skin what it really needs: cleansing, calming, and confidence. One more testimonial from Lisa. She shared this about HD Clear System. I have big problems with acne for a long time. I'm an adult woman, and I've tried so many skincare products. Most either made it worse or dried me out. I decided to try HD Clear, and before the bottles were even close to being empty, my skin was calm with almost no acne. It made such an amazing difference. It was a huge relief. You know, healthy skin isn't just about what we put on it. Stress plays a big role too. So today I'm giving you the Stress and Calm ebook. This guide is full of some favorite calming oils and rituals to release stress out of your body. Look for the link in the description below. I hope you or someone you love will benefit from what HD Clear can do to rescue and clear skin. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness tips. So here's to clear, calm, confident skin, the all-natural way.